Hi.
How's the campaign going?
I think my goal has expanded in that I don't think social installations is simply a podcast slash reality based docu-series. I think it's
Yeah.
a movement.
I've actually seen that evolution. The more that we have talked about the campaign, the more we've considered how do we grow this. You already have artists contributing to the soundtrack, and we're looking
Yeah.
we're looking at we're looking at how to include um particular parts of the community.
I feel like this has become what can we bring to people
Yeah,
that
yeah,
they can then feel a part of?
hmm,
How can we all be
yeah.
uplifted at the same time?
There's like an internet saying when people get a little too chronically online, we say go touch grass. I love it because it's funny, but also, what they're saying is let's get back to communing with each other face to face in real time.
Real-time human interaction.
Yes, we're asking for people to do the the foreign thing, so to speak, and the slowing down and savoring the process, and it's the harder sell, but it's the more valuable one. It's the one that I believe is going to really unify in a way that I think is unexpected.
Hmm. Love that.